In this video, I will show you how you can add a control shortcut to the quick settings menu on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, just tap on the edit icon, which is the pencil icon. Now at the bottom of the screen, you will find the option for add a control. Now just tap on it, and from here, if you scroll down, you will find all the shortcuts available. Now just select the shortcut which you want to add. For example, I will add the performance profile, and as you can see, this is the shortcut which we have added. Now you can either drag the shortcut around and you can place it wherever you want, and you can increase the size of the shortcut by dragging the shortcut from the handle over here. And once you're satisfied with the size and the placement of your shortcut, then just tap on done and you will add the shortcut to your control center. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.